Hi, welcome to Cute Things by Rebecca. I'm Rebecca, and today we're going to make this cute little snap tab envelope pocket. Something cute for Valentine's Day or any time really. It's got a little pocket, looks like a little envelope. I'm using cute little hearts for this project. Perfect for sticking a little candy in it, or a love note, or some coins, or something. It's just a cute little novelty gift. We're going to do the snap tab and the eyelet version at the same time, and it's 3 steps on the machine. It's quick, easy, it's fun, it's cute. So these are the supplies that you'll need to get started. I have tearaway in my hoop. I have, since we're doing 2 at once, I have for the snap tab you want to have your pieces cut at about 3.5 by 5, and for the eyelet version 3.5 by 3.5, just 2 pieces front and back. Some little accessories. I have these little wire things and ball chains, sets of snaps, key rings. You can dress these up however you like, and an eyelet for the eyelet version, and the tools that I use to put them together. So let's get started. The first step on the machine is always the placement step, so I'm going to run that now. I have matching thread in my bobbin, so I'm going to use red thread on the top and the bottom, so it comes out clean. Right there, I had white for my bobbin, so it kind of looks a little messy. But so if you want to use the same color top and bottom, go for it. So I'm going to go ahead and run that step right now, and I'll show you what that looks like. So here is the placement step for the eyelet version and the snap tabs. So now what you want to do is take your front piece, and you want to line it up to just a little bit above this line here. So I'm going to have to cut my piece. See, my measurements are always generous when it comes to in the hoop stuff, because I'd rather have more than not enough. So I'm just going to use a placement line for my cutting, like I suggest anyways, but just right above that little line there, because it's going to do a little stitching on the top. What you want to do is make sure that this part is covered. Make sure your snaps are covered when you're doing the snap tab. So for the front, just line it up like so. And then on the snap tab version, just make sure your snap is covered all the way. So just right above the line, you want to lay your vinyl down like so. And then the next step on the machine is going to do the little envelope look. So I'm going to run that now, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so the cute little envelope is run. Now you want to turn over to the back side of your hoop, and let me just cut all these little thingies here. You can add lining to these if you want, olifin, thin vinyl, something non-fraying. I wasn't going to do it, but I have a little piece right here, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. So if you're going to add lining, I just use olifin, and then you just want to place it over the entire back design, and then you want to take your backing and place it pretty side facing you. Make sure everything is covered and secure it with tape. I'm not going to put the lining on this one. I think the vinyl's nice enough. It's nice and soft. So you just place it over the entire design. And you got lots of room. And then secure it with tape. And then put it back in your machine. And that's it. And then we put them together. They're just cute. I just like them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. Okay, now it's all done. Now we can just remove it from the hoop. Clean up your stabilizer. And trim it. and then we'll add the goodies to it. So we use tearaways so we can tear the pocket out. So watch me struggle with this stabilizer. Oh goodness, why? This usually is pretty good stabilizer, but it's being extra tough on me today. But anyways, there's your little pocket. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up and cut around, and I'll show you how I dress them up. See, quick, fun, easy. Okay, so everything's all trimmed up. Let's go ahead and start with the eyelet version. I use this crocodile for poking my holes. So I'm just gonna poke a hole there. I'm gonna set the eyelet. And I'll use the other side for setting the eyelet. And then for your little snaps, kind of put it where you want it to go. Poke a little hole. And then I'm going to use my hole pokey thing. I don't know what it is. All or something. I just use this little setter, nothing fancy. And there you have it, your cute little pocket. I think I'm going to go ahead and just use this little ball chain. There's that one. See? And the same goes for your snap tab. Just put your snaps like you normally do. I'm going to go ahead and do that so you don't have to watch that process all over again. Okay, there they are, all dressed up. Cute, fun. I don't know, I just thought they were cute for little Valentine's gifts. Or, I guess whatever you want. But use up your cute little vinyl prints. It's perfect for that. Thanks for watching.